how to view and manage saved addresses on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to view and manage your saved addresses on Uber Eats app for Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just tap again on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your Uber Eats account settings. Now here, in this section, you'll see all your saved addresses like home, work, or any other custom location that you have added. So here, to edit, just tap on the addresses, and here you can just update the details and just tap on save and continue. And to delete it, you just have to tap on the trash icon or remove options. And to add a new addresses, you just have to tap on add addresses and enter the location details and give it a label, and after that you can just hit save. And that's it. That's how you can add your addresses list on Uber Eats app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.